I got a little song.
I wanted to start today's video off by unboxing this unit. I love how this brand packages their wigs. And the bag, look at it, it's just so gorgeous. So let's get in to this unboxing. The name of this company is DYHair777, and I have their Italian curly lace frontal wig. I did get it in 20 inches, and this is more than a show and tell. It's an actual review because I did get a chance to wear this hair for about 5 to 6 days. So I definitely have formed an opinion about this unit, and I will give it all to you straight up with no chaser as I go. So stay tuned and get comfortable and enjoy the ride. I'm going to show you guys how I adhered this wig, and I'm going to be chiming in and out with my commentary.
Playing them corners, babe. Pull up on you in a moment, babe. Soon as you tell me you want it, babe. You hit my line and I'm on the way. Cause you want my money, no question, babe. You do this shit with no question, babe. You in your bag and you flashing, babe. You do this shit with no effort, babe. Just hit me when you wanna leave, babe. I got everything you need, babe. Tipsy, you can toss the keys, babe. Sit back while we on the freeway. Got a nigga on his knees, babe. Got a nigga begging please, babe. Knowing you don't wanna leave, babe. Got a nigga begging please.
So I want to come in really quickly and show you guys how this hair looks while it's wet. Today is my 5th day wearing this wig. When I initially put it on, I love the curl pattern, but I felt like this hair was super thin. This is 20 inches. And it looks really good. I love the texture of this wig. However, when it dries, and even right now with it being wet, it just looks thin. So I'm thinking about like adding layers and kind of cutting this wig up to maybe like 16 inches. So we'll see. But yeah, I want to come in and show you guys. I reapplied this wig as you guys seen. I went ahead and customize the hairline some more because the hairline was kind of dense. So that's how the hairline is looking. I'm gonna go in and add some baby hairs. I kind of plucked it a little bit too much right here on this side, but a sideburn is gonna be right there, so I'm not tripping. But I actually feel like I did really good. Let me come up closer with the customization. I ain't gonna lie, I've been like kind of bummy for the last few days. So I had it in a bun for like 2 days. The first day I wore it down. I don't know if I got any footage. Then I wore it in a bun for 2 days. And then I wore it in a ponytail all day yesterday and half the day today. Y'all, Flo's in town, so you know, I ain't really been feeling like doing the most. So yeah, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna see how it looks with a middle part. I'm gonna add a little bit of product to it, swoop some baby hairs. I'm gonna do all that on camera. And once it dries down, we're gonna go from there. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna cut it because it just looks, I'm sorry I got on black. I stay in black, y'all. But it's just, it's not full enough for me to be this long. So let's hop into the styling session.
Oh God, girls gon' wild, girls gon' wild. All I see is you. Yeah, they say that couples were made to fuss. I say that love songs were made for us. Relationships nowadays just a death sentence. Ashes to ashes and dust to dust. I think that trying is just a must for us. Exploring this life is just what we're supposed to do. You're a temptation, can I get next to you? We do it right, something like the Huxtables.
So something interesting just happened. I just realized that this wig is 130% density. Personally, I love me some Big Divalicious hair, as most of you know. So I love 150% density and above. So if you guys like a unit that is more lightweight, this is perfect for you, because I do see some people say that I can't do all that hair. Oh, it's cute, but it's just too much hair for me. So if you are one of those kind of people, then this unit would do you. But if you're like me, make sure you choose a higher density. I believe you can choose 150% density. I'm not for sure if it's offered in 200%, but it is offered in 150% density. So go ahead and select that if you like this particular unit, because this Italian curly hair is banging. I just love me some fuller hair. So that was my only con with this wig. And I don't see that me needing to customize the hairline as a con per se, because I'm used to it. Honestly, we love a good pre-plucked wig, but there's nothing wrong, especially if you're a little bit advanced, with going in and adding your little finishing touches on your wig.
When you don't wanna leave, babe, got a nigga begging, please stay. That's on God. Girls gon' wild, but all I see is you.
I wanted to note that unpackaging this wig, I didn't have any like foul odor smell, so I always enjoy when I don't have that issue. Also, the cap construction was made fairly well. I believe I have a medium cap, so it fit me perfectly, and I didn't get any tangling, and I did sleep in this wig, y'all. So that's everything for me, okay? And I wore this wig up in a bun and everything like I told you, and it did not tangle all up in the nape or anything. So this is some good quality hair. So I feel like you will have a good longevity. The price match and everything seems like it will match up, at least from me wearing it for like, I'm gonna say I wore it for like a week straight and I didn't have any issues. But yes, and it barely sheds too, so that's definitely a plus. I want to know y'all thoughts down below, so holla at me in the comment section, my cousins. Please do. And be sure to look in the description box if you are interested in purchasing from DYHair777. I'll have a coupon code link down below, as well as direct links to check out this company and purchase if you would like. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel today. I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Love ya.